Hey everyone, this is Brian from Unscripted RX, and today I'm super excited to share the launch of multiple features, but essentially it is a complete redesign of the Directory V2 feature. There's a lot of baked-in features, and I'm going to go over most of them in a very short time. So the first thing I want to show you, I am on the Unscripted RX webpage. At the very bottom, there is a new tab for roadmap. And the point of this is to show you some of the things we are prioritizing when we're building things and getting ideas from all of you. So feedback is really, really important. Please do go and vote on ideas and submit ideas to let us know what really matters to you. What I want to show you is this Director V2, which is now in beta. You can actually go test it. It should work. There may be some bugs. Hopefully not. I spent a lot of time testing it. But let me go over to Directory V2 and show you some of the key features. The first thing is something that has been requested a lot, and that is mobile features. So on mobile, this is actually what you're going to see. You have all these different cards. Notice that we have an enhanced card now, both on mobile and web, which is it shows the city and the state. Very useful. There's also a number of results. So there is a total of 3,004 total residencies without any filters. But now we also have a mobile friendly filter where you can click on things like this. So if you want PDRI ones in pharmacy, you can do that. You can get the results. You can clear them very easily or clear individual results. But one of the key things people have been asking for is the favoriting features. So let's say you want to go to Jefferson Health. You click on this, you now have the ability to toggle star. Now, if I click on this right now, it's not going to work because I'm not signed in. You must be signed in so we can favorite it. A program, I'm not going to do that right now, but it works just the same as on desktop. So that is now available on mobile and super excited to share. So that's one of the first things. The next thing is you already kind of saw this. This is a mobile friendly filter. You have these counts. I'm really excited for this. This works on web or mobile. So let me switch back to web right now. This is the same exact results. You can click on all these things. And now what's really nice, I love these cities and states. So now I can see that all these are from Wisconsin or Iowa, things like that. The other thing I want to share is the URL state synchronization. Now, you can't actually see it on my screen right now because I don't think it actually shows. But at the very top of the URL, if you use the original directory, it just always says the directory. And there's no way to share a filter. Now, I don't know if a lot of people were sharing filters, but this is just really good practice when it comes to having these filters. So, one key example is like if you're sharing something of a product you saw on Amazon or like on Walmart, you can usually share that product pretty easily. You could not do the same on Unscripted RX. Now you can. So you can actually, like I have, let's see, PG1, PGY2 in cardiology out in Northeast. I can actually copy the URL I have right now, which has all of these filters embedded into it, and it'll take them to the exact same page that you see. It's one of the most exciting things for myself. Perhaps it's a bit nerdy, but a lot of nice benefits come from this. One of them being better caching and better SEO and better performance overall. So I'm really excited for that. The other thing is also human friendly URL. So if you looked at copying programs previously, like doing this, and you try to paste it into the search bar, I'm not actually, let me just go right there and do that now. And if I go to that specific URL, this now has a human readable URL on the very top. Now, it's one, nice because it's human readable, so you know what you're looking at. Two, it's actually really, really good for SEO. So it's going to make these much more searchable when people are just using search engines. So I'm excited for that. And the last thing, which I actually kind of shown earlier, is this whole roadmap. So just giving you an idea of all the things that we're building. And of course, if you want to try out Directory V2, you can come to the roadmap and click on this and it'll take you to that directory and you can start using it. That is it for now. In the next maybe week or so, hopefully, we're going to push this Directory V2 out to the main directory so everyone can start using it as the main experience. Let me know if there's any questions, and thanks for watching.